KFactory. All about operational performance. The manufacturing world is constantly evolving. Deadlines are tighter, competition is fiercer. And the pressure to produce more with less is ever present. But what if there was a way to revolutionize your operations? Boost productivity and outperform the competition. Introducing KFactory, the digital platform designed to empower manufacturers like you. Imagine having a real-time window into your entire operation and seeing exactly what's happening right now on every single production line. With KFactory, you can identify and resolve issues faster than ever before, keeping your production lines running smoothly and your team happy. We understand manufacturing. Our team has over 40 years of combined experience in both IT and manufacturing. This unique blend of expertise allows us to bridge the gap and deliver a solution that seamlessly integrates into your existing operations. Today's manufacturers are also facing the challenge of sustainability. By optimizing production processes, KFactory can help you reduce waste and minimize your environmental footprint. It's good for business, and it's good for the planet. KFactory seamlessly connects to your factory's operational and financial systems like Microsoft Dynamics Nav, Business Central, and Excel. This, alongside the Microsoft Teams integration for virtual engineers, ensures a unified platform for smarter manufacturing, regardless of your company size. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about how KFactory can help you achieve operational excellence.